Algebra 2, this is Chapter 5, Section 7. This will be the first video, and this one's just on main concepts here with our rational exponents and radical form. So basically we're talking about fractional exponents, and I've kind of hinted at them in the past videos, kind of getting ready for it. So fractional exponents are here. So basically we want to know why square root and square are opposite, and we can look at this. Let me grab a pen here. So I know that whenever I multiply these, because an exponent to an exponent would have to equal 1, and I know that the square root and square would be equal to b in the end. It should be equal to just b. So I have b to some power times, and this power. Let me move that little power thing up. Let me move that up. Nope. There we go. P to some power times 2 is going to be equal to b to the first for it to be equal to b. So what times 2 is going to make that equal to 1? Well, 1/2 times 2. So this square root has to be equal to the 1/2 power to be multiplied by the 2 to be equal to b to the first. So we say that the square root of b is the same thing as b to the 1/2 power. Let's look at another one of those, another way to look at the same problem here. So if b were the 1/2 power and squared, that would be again b to the 1/2 times 2. When you take an exponent to an exponent, you multiply, which is equal to b to the first, which is equal to b. So here is our rule for any real number b, that's our bottom, and for any positive integer n, that's the bottom part of our fraction. This works except for when b is less than 0, when b is negative and n is even. So basically the 1/n power is the nth root. So 3 to the 1/3 power is 8 to the 3rd root. And hopefully you've memorized this by now. 8 is actually 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 cubed. Okay, one of those ones you're going to have to know. But I'm talking about an except and even, so let's look at the bottom part here. So if this were negative 16 to the 1/4 power, that would actually be the 4th root of 16. But we can't square root a negative, so we can't 4th root a negative. So at this point, we can't do this. And note that this is at this time, because eventually we're going to be able to do this, just not right now.